We live in a world of micro moments, whether you agree or not. We're trying to capture micro moments of our life. Let's define what a micro moment is. Billions of people right now, on a daily basis, are turning to Google, turning to search for 4 things. I want to know, I want to go, I want to do, and I want to buy. Now let's talk about our consumers. If you look at some of the stats up there, they're staggering. 66% of smartphone users will turn to their smartphone for an I want to know after a TV commercial. Why do you think that is? Think about it. Why do they turn to their phone after a commercial? They don't want to be sold. Do they trust the commercial? They don't trust it. There's no trust because we don't want to be sold. So we turn to a micro moment to find something, to validate it, see if it was real, check out reviews, and see how it works. That's how a micro moment works. Check out the other number. 82% of smartphone users are looking at local businesses in a geographic area. That's huge for today's entrepreneurs. That's huge for your business. Finding real estate, being able to search local based on geolocation, and obviously finding the house they're sitting in front of while they're sitting in front of it. So you have to think about, let's take this to real estate for a second. What are your micro moments? How about when they close, when they like something, when they found that home out of the 20 you've showed them? When they're actually excited about something, when they're doing something, when they're with you, those are micro moments. The question is how do you capture them? How are you sharing their micro moments because they're busy finding a home?